Health Check is presented by
Island Cancer Center.
Cervical cancer is one of 5 gynecological cancers. When cancer starts in the cervix, it is called cervical cancer. DPHSS Program Coordinator Venancio Emmanuel.
Cervical cancer is cancer that grows in the cervix. So cancer actually is a disease in which the cells grows out of control.
The cervix is the lower, narrow end of the uterus which connects the vagina to the upper part of the uterus. All women are at risk for cervical cancer, but it occurs most often in women over the age of 30.
Well, actually, this is a sexually transmitted disease. The most common cause of cervical cancer is we call it HPV, or the human papilloma virus.
While more than half of sexually active people will have HPV at some point in their lives, only a few women will get cervical cancer.
Well, actually, during the early stages of cervical cancer, actually there are no symptoms. But when, it is already in the later stage, the symptoms actually are, bleeding during intercourse or discharges. Those are the symptoms of cervical cancer.
Emmanuel says cervical cancer is a slow-growing cancer, and there are circumstances where the chance of getting it is raised, such as smoking, HIV, or AIDS, or using birth control pills for 5 or more years. But according to public health, cervical cancer is the easiest gynecological cancer to prevent with regular screening tests and follow-up, and is highly curable when found and treated.
It would take time for the cancer to grow. So if you get the HPV virus, it would take time for the cancer to grow.
To prevent cervical cancer, Emmanuel says to get the HPV vaccine, use protection during sex, and see your doctor regularly for a Pap test that can find cervical precancers. You can get a free Pap test if you qualify at Public Health.
Health Check is presented by
Island Cancer Center.
Stay tuned. The doc is in when Healthy Living returns.
This program is brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
At Island Cancer Center, we treat our patients and their families like our family. We have all been touched by cancer, and it is important to feel comfortable and secure under the care of our health professionals. You can count on us for skilled cancer specialists, the most advanced cancer-fighting technology on the island, and a commitment to caring for you or your loved one with compassion, respect, and empathy. Our family, treating your family.
Island Cancer Center, located on Guam Medical Plaza. Visit us at islandcancercenter.com or call